I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to change your SIM card on TIM without losing your service, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Prepare your new SIM card. Make sure your new SIM card is compatible with your device and has been activated. You can usually do this by inserting it into another phone or checking with your provider. Step 2. Back up your contacts. Before you swap SIM cards, back up your contacts to avoid losing any important numbers. You can do this by syncing with your Google account or using your phone's backup feature. Step 3. Power off your device. Turn off your phone completely to ensure a smooth transition between SIM cards. This helps prevent any potential damage or data loss. Step 4. Remove the old SIM card. Locate the SIM card tray on your device. Use a SIM eject tool or a paperclip to gently pop out the tray, then remove the old SIM card. Be careful not to damage the tray. Step 5. Insert the new SIM card. Place the new SIM card into the tray, ensuring it fits snugly and is oriented correctly. We insert the tray into your device and power it back on. Your phone should recognize the new SIM without any issues. Remember, if your phone doesn't recognize the new SIM right away, try restarting it again. Happy connecting!